All right, so we've got the trailer done, or the bed's on there, the truck's sitting over there running. We're gonna try and put the bed on today. So this one hopefully should be short and sweet, but if anything happens, you're gonna see it. So we're gonna lift the bed off the trailer, and we're gonna put the truck on it. So, or put it on the truck, we'll see. So real quick, I'm going to show you guys what's going on here. We've got the tractor holding up this corner. We got the engine hoist holding up the back. And we got Tweety Bird sitting under this corner. So now we're going to pull the truck in there and try and hook up the bed to the truck. So, Sitchin's back on the camera stand and we'll see what happens. There we go. I backed it up in the garage, and I'm pretty tickled with it. So let me get this out of the way here, show you guys what we got. So aside from the front bumper and the fact there's no stainless steel pretties on there, the truck is together. I've got them hubcaps back here. Everything got them on right now. Pretty happy with the toolboxes. By golly, I got that closed with one hand. I thought I had to press on the other one. So, look, you can see my reflection in it. Yeah, it probably needs a little bit of buff. It's got a touch of orange peel, but not bad for doing it outside in the fall of the year, painting it. But that is the height of it. And I know you guys can't really see, but let me make sure you're looking at the right thing. Right there, it's about belly height. So it's a perfect workbench. I got stuff laid on for tools and stuff we're going to be needing. Got the fuel filler I got to put back together on because we got an open hole right there. And I still got all kinds of wiring to do, so we're not that close yet. There's the factory wiring harness for a Chevy bed, so I'm going to integrate that in there. Probably go pretty good. But yeah, the truck is driving under its own power and everything's together. Aside from having a front bumper and lighting on the bed, it's pretty well drivable right now. I got the interior put back together and got the new radio in it. And we've got the towing package set up down there. Got my brake controller and my airbag setups all ready to go. Obviously, there's still some wiring to be done for the mirrors and whatnot and other little things. So I am going to continue on because honestly, this project is long overdue to get completed. I want to get this thing back on the road so I can use it. And I'm not saying it's the last time you'll see the truck because I still got a few more things to do, but we're getting close. And I got a fun little cheat project coming up that I'd like to see some people participate in. We'll put a call out on our TikTok and YouTube Shorts and stuff as we begin to film that stuff. And then I want to get back to the International Lodestar because that's my dream project, and this was kind of a necessity. Fixing my truck was a necessity. All the other stuff that happened was because I can't touch anything and leave it alone. So, but yep, still got a few more surprises, things in store coming up on this truck that you'll see, but we're just about done with it. So, but the bed's on it, and I think it looks pretty good. So we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and yeah, have a good day.